Okay, so in this tutorial we are diving into something super important, events. They're like the backbone of Google Analytics, capturing all the cool stuff users do on our website or app. Now most events get scooped automatically by GA, things like page visits or link clicks, but some need a little extra nudge to be recorded, like purchases. If someone buys something, we want to know what, how many and for how much. And there is custom events we will tackle in next tutorial. These are the unique ones specific to your business, not covered by GA by default. So let's head over to our website and get this recommended event set up. Alright, we are back on our website. We've already set up Google Analytics. Now we are getting into tracking some cool stuff. To be precise, events that Google Analytics doesn't pick up automatically. So I added this new phone button to the site. Give it a click and it will call. But here's the kicker, we want to know when people click that phone call button, right? That's where the event comes in. It's a recommended event by GA, but we have to set it up to let GA know when someone tries to call from our website. So let's head over to Google Tag Manager and make it happen. Alright, now we're in Google Tag Manager. Remember, we've already got Google Analytics set up in previous videos, so we're cruising with the basics like page views and link clicks. But for this phone call event, we need to tell GTM to fire off a GA4 event whenever someone hits that phone call button. First up, let's get cozy with this phone call button's code. Let's back to our website for a sec. Alright, here we are in Google DevTools checking out our homepage. See that phone call button? It's got this class secondary button header V button. This is our ticket to telling GTM to fire a phone call event whenever someone clicks the button. Back to Google Tag Manager to work some magic. Before we dive into setting up the event, there's one thing we gotta tweak in GTM. Let's head over to variables and configure it to grab the class name of click events. Alright, now we are cooking, let's set up the tag. We'll name it something snappy, how about GA4 phone button event, and now we will choose the GA4 event configuration. For the event name, we will stick with the recommended phone call. Then we'll dive into event parameters and add method with the value of phone. This is Google Analytics lingo for hey, someone is calling. But wait, there's more, we gotta trigger this event whenever someone clicks that phone button. Let's set it up. We'll create a new trigger, call it trigger phone button, and set it to fire only on links. Then we will get GTM to look out for the class secondary button header W button we spotted earlier. Now before we hit publish and make it all official, let's do a quick preview. This is a moment of truth. We'll click around our site, hit that phone button and see if everything working as expected. Alright, we are back on our live site. Quick refresh to grab the latest from GTM. Then let's give that phone call button a tap. Now we'll pop over to Google Analytics to see if our phone call event showed up. Boom, there it is right alongside our other events. Our phone call event is firing just like we wanted. Next up we'll tackle custom events, stuff that's tailored specifically to your business needs. Stay tuned for that.